Are you seeing the message, "Your Instagram account has been suspended"? Don't panic. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to recover your account quickly and safely. Let's begin. First, open your phone's browser and search for Instagram Help Center. Once you're on the Help Center page, tap on Privacy, Security, and Reporting. Next, go to How to Report Things. Then, in the search bar, type Disabled Instagram Account. From the search results, select the relevant article about disabled accounts. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a question, was this article helpful? Tap No. After that, choose the option that says, the solution doesn't work. Finally, a feedback form will appear. Fill it out briefly, describing your issue, and tap Submit. Instagram will receive your report and may back your account within a few days. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech solutions.